Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to explain why your Xero deposit might be late in 2026 and what's actually causing the delay. First of all, it's important to understand that in most cases, Xero itself is not the direct reason for late deposit. Xero is an accounting platform, not a bank, so it simply records and syncs transactions rather than processing them. One of the most common reasons for delays is bank processing time. Payments are often not instant and may take 1 to 3 business days to appear, especially if weekends or holidays are involved. So even if a payment has been sent, it might not show up immediately. Another major reason is late customer payments. Sometimes the delay has nothing to do with the system at all, the client simply hasn't paid yet. This can happen due to cash flow issues, missed invoices, or slow internal approvals on their side. Along with that, there can also be bank feed delays inside Xero, where the payment has already reached your bank, but it hasn't synced into Xero yet. This usually happens due to connection issues or delays in bank feeds, which are not always real-time. In some cases, the issue can be related to how your invoices are set up. If your invoices don't clearly mention due dates or payment terms, customers may delay payments unintentionally. Payment methods also play a big role. For example, bank transfers usually take longer than card payments, and international transfers can take even more time. If you're using integrations with platforms like Stripe, delays can also occur due to failed transactions, reversals, or syncing issues between systems. So overall, the reason your Xero deposit is late usually comes down to bank delays, customer payment timing, or syncing issues, not the platform itself. The best way to avoid this is to send invoices on time, use faster payment methods, set clear payment terms, and regularly check your bank feed connections. So the final takeaway is simple. Xero doesn't delay your money. The delay usually happens before it reaches Xero. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.